Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create an account on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Crunchyroll. When you see the Crunchyroll app, tap Get or Download. Once the app finishes downloading, tap Open. Now Crunchyroll will launch. On the welcome screen, tap Create Account or Sign Up. Next, you will be asked to enter your details. Type in your email address or password you can remember. Make sure your password is strong and secure. After that, tap Create Account or Sign Up. Crunchyroll may send a verification email to the email address you use. Open your email inbox and tap the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, go back to the Crunchyroll app. Your account is now ready to use. You can browse anime, watch episodes for free with ads, upgrade to premium anytime. And that's it. That's how to create a Crunchyroll account on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.